Okay, so I am here showing some of the crafty projects that I put together for the Crafty Rainbow Party 2021 hosted by Brittany Pochick. And we had such a great time. So I am going to show you the raffle project and also one of the goodie bags that I gave to each crafty friend and participant in this party. So let's start with the raffle project. So each of us, we had a color assigned and needed to bring a raffle project that included three store items, and I'm not showing that. I'm just showing what I put together. So we were required to put together a 3D project. So this is my 3D project. I follow a tutorial from Kristianne's Crafty Adventures. I'm gonna leave the link of her tutorial in the description box below. Her channel is just amazing. She has so many tutorials for those who do not want to use SVG files. So this is the purse. I put some bling, and of course it's rainbow theme, so some of the little things, crafty supplies that I am giving. So it's just so cute, and it was so easy to make. We were also required to include all the projects in a decorated photo box. My color is blue, and of course, I cannot be blue anywhere, so I just use these glue a little bit, this trim where she can just unglue it and use them, whatever. So now let's open this up, and we were required to make a wand. So this is the wand that I made. It's so cute. I had papers in my stash. I bought these mini kind of like charms, and I used this big gigantic rosette and some doilies, and of course I have to have the rainbow trim, and then I just love this. So it turned out really cute, very colorful. Then we were required to make 4 bows, and this bow is just moving. So these are the bows. Super cute. I know I keep telling myself super cute, right? I'm blowing my own whistle. Okay, then embellishment, 3 sets of 2 embellishments. So this is the first set. I use some of the rosettes from Tim Holtz, metal dies, and then just to keep everything consistent, I use the trim, which is this trim that I bought at my local craft bookstore. And then some of these stickies, puffy stickers, are from Dear Lizzie collection. Oh, just adding some trim so they can use it in a nice clip. Then this is the other set of 2 embellishments. I just used some of ephemera that I had in my stash, and of course I have to stitch everything because I am in love with my sewing machine. Again, the bling. I think I got that bling at Michael's, if I recall. And the 3rd set of embellishments, of course I have to do tags, and I stitch these tags with some vintage fabric. And we were required to make 2 dangles. So this is my my little kind of like dangle tassel, sort of, some beading. It looks a little bit naked, but you know, I'm not into the beading stuff, even though I know how to do it, but it's not like my cup of tea. So then I made this other tassel that can be attached to like a junk journal or a mini album. Quite simple. And then added some charms and some beads on it. Then we were required also to make 2 back toppers, and of course I don't like to make the same thing. So here's a little version of it. And again, I stitch it, put the bling, some butterflies, and again the puffy stickers from that Dear Lizzie collection. And this is the other back topper, Dear Lizzie, bling. And I also made these earrings, rainbow earring themes. Yes, I can make earrings. But as I said, it's not my cup of tea. We will also require to give an embellishment box, and of course everything is mini because I wanted to fit everything in this box. So here is my mini embellishment box with some sequin mixes and beads and trims and, you know, bows, etc. I'll put this up here. Now the other part was to make a tag flip, and this was supposed to be tags from different colors. Sorry about the interruption if you heard the beep. I'm just multitasking, like doing my eggplant parmesan, so you know, I'm a real person, so I have to eat, right? Okay, so going back, I was going to show you the tag flip. So we were required to make a tag flip with each color, not only our assigned color, right? So here I have these. One, again, Dear Lizzie puffy stickers. Some of the trim that I got at I believe Joann's Fabric. So I didn't do anything on the back, just giving them whomever wins these. Oops, should have taken that off. Some sprinklets. And then of course I had so much fun putting this together because I stitched all these tags, and then I had some recycled tags that I stitched some vintage trims that I bought at that place, my fancy snail mail. And more. This is the orange. As you can see, there's no words, nothing. It's just paper and stitch fabric, some puffy stickers, so they can customize this however they wanted to, right? They can even use this as a mini album and then stick like a little photo, you know, a 3x2 photo. And then this is another stitch taggy, some things that I'm giving away. Here's like a belly band, and then this other one. Of course I didn't cover the back because I got lazy. And this other one, I just love this one, the colors, the green, and the tag from this store that is a local shop in my neighborhood. They sell fantastic clothes. Then this other one, I just love this vintage trims. Look at that, how cute. And then some rhinestones, and these are 2 tags in one. And the purple, I have some charms, and this purple tag too. Yeah, so this is a tag flip. So all these projects They fit in my photo box. I'm gonna put those away, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the goodie bag. So I'm just going to show you the goodie bag that each girl got. It came with a tag. I still haven't attached a tag and personalized it, but the tag will be hanging here. So I stamp, because I went to Michael's and I couldn't find like a blue bag, and I went to Hobby Lobby. Apparently they were running out of blue bags, so I ended up like buying a white bag and use some stencils and this stamp and a blue ink, and it is, I use this color, Distress Broken China, from Texas Ranger Tim Holtz, and you know, stencil it, ink it, and then on the back has rainbows everywhere. And we were supposed to also bring a kit because we're going to be putting together a banner, and this is the banner that we're going to be putting together. Again, rainbow theme, blue is my color. So here's the kit. I didn't punch the holes because I want each crafter to have the freedom to, you know, arrange or place these banner, because eventually each of us, we will get all the colors, right? And we will do like a big banner. So big dream. So this is the kit. Then things that I made to my fellow crafters. It's these rainbow. I show these in my Instagram account, and again, this is felt that I put together. Look at this rainbow with the trims. So stinking cute. Okay, and then I put together also a mini album. I'm gonna come closer. Yeah. So again, a taggy. And then this album, so they can put pictures of the party. I'm definitely gonna add more stuff, you know, more ephemera. Here's a mini watercolor card. Oops. And then a piece of ephemera. And this is from the Explosion box. Paige Taylor Evans. She did a collab with Recollection Michael. So that's the... this is crepe paper, vellum, another vellum pocket with some ephemera. I painted these watercolor tag. Again, used the broken china. And then stitch it there. Then more ephemera is gonna go there. Yeah, so that's the mini album. I put together 8 mini albums. Some they are like yellow and blue and pink, and this one purple. Yeah, so, and then besides that, some other goodies, you know, store-bought stuff that I'm giving away as well. And yeah, so this is it. So this is just like, so you can have an idea, you know, what to give in a crafty party or crafty meetup, you know, a couple of little items, you know, handmade, and then store-bought stuff, you know, supplies that they can use. So yeah, this is it. So if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up. That helped my channel, so it can be shown with 2 other people, and share it if you like it, and leave me a comment down below and let me know what item do you like or caught your eye. And thanks again for watching. Thanks again for subscribing. And see you on my next video. Bye.